How to check and change recommended tire pressure on Mitsubishi Outlander. So at the very beginning, let me start by explaining how to navigate in instrument cluster view, because you need to use the instrument cluster to find those info. So you need to use this part of the steering wheel, the left and the right arrows, confirm options by pressing OK button, and you can also use the OK button as explorer to go up and down. Alright, so if you know the basics, you can go to your instrument cluster, as you can see right here. Let me just make it more visible for you. Alright, let's use the arrow to choose here the settings, press OK to confirm it, then scroll down and here you should find the tire pressures. As you can see, these two lines show the correct air pressure numbers your tires are supposed to have. So right now, both the front and rear targets are set to 2.5 bar. The car uses these numbers to check your actual tire pressure. If the air in any tire drops too far below this target, a warning light will turn on to tell you that you should add some air. But if you would like to change the target and front tire pressure, you can also do this by using those settings right here. But let me leave it on the 2.5. I think it's the best one. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.